Hello and welcome back to Only Pay. We'll be discussing about boring business ideas can help you make millions. Be sure to watch all the way to the end. If you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below for more life-changing content. Not every business that makes a fortune starts out with a groundbreaking idea. For every flashy startup focused on self-driving cars or sending people to the moon, there are hundreds of boring businesses making money. Here are 4 such businesses that have brought in a significant amount of cash, of all which simply suit built upon existing product or ideas. Social Media Network, Farmers Business Network. Farmers Business Network (FBN) is a social media network that allows farmers to pool and compare data. The company also offers seeds to its members at discounted rates. Social media networks is not necessarily a groundbreaking idea, nor is offering discounts to members. However, the company that can essentially be called Facebook for former raised 250 million in Series F round, bringing its total funding close for 600 million. Cartridges, Castle Inc. Lauren Elwood, a high school teacher, went through hundreds of ink cartridges printing out handouts and Selby for her students, which led her to launch a recycling ink cartridge company called Castle Ink in a bid to go green and save money. Castle Ink made 1 million in annual sales in 2012, selling cartridges in a range of $10 to $30, significantly cheaper than branded ones. Razors, Dollar Save Club. Another product, razors that have proven to be a highly profitable business in Dollar Save Club. In 2016, the company was bought up by Unilever for $1 billion. What started in March 2012 with a simple offering high quality but inexpensive razors, the company has since launched a lineup of additionally products on its march towards owning the men's bathroom space. Mattresses, Ave Sleep Simba. Founded in 2014, UK-based online mattress retailer Eversleep started by selling only one mattress that it is manufactured itself for about $535 for a single bed. Despite that, the company, which now also sells sleep-related products such as pillow and sheets, listed on the London Stock Exchange in 2017, growing its revenue up to 132% to 27.7 million US dollars. Another London-based online mattress company, Simba, which operates in 9 countries across Europe, North America and Asia, sells mattress direct to consumer and recently secured £21.5 million to fund its expansion plans. It's okay to be boring. There is so much focus on in terms of new technology like wearables, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. These days, it can be easy to forget how valuable mundane everyday items can be to our lives. These products hold the promises of bankable business opportunities. Not every innovative business idea is lucrative. In fact, businesses with a small or large that try to do something that nobody has done before often struggle. Take the good example of Google Glass, the company's first public attempt to wearable technology. The head-mounted computer looked like it came straight out of the science fiction movie, but ultimately it didn't succeed. Another such example of field product is Virtual Boy. Launched in 1995, it was Nintendo's take on virtual reality. The company sold less than million units. The biggest hardware disappointed is Nintendo's history. On the other hand, many startups that choose to stick with business in established and mundane industries have done quite well. As can be seen, the example in this video, the bottom line is that whether you come up with an earth-shattering new innovation or if you are simply offering a product that everyone needs but isn't frustrating, pursue it with vigor and ensure that you are taking every step to succeed is impossible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notification so you don't miss any video just like this one. Please give us your thoughts in the comments below. and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.